Gabriel, where are you? Are you on this side? Haha! There you are. Alright, where are the goats? So, what are we planning on doing here, Gabriel? Yeah, planning on having the hiccups. So I'm planning on moving the goats to behind our house to do some weeding because we got some blackberries that they really love. Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to go feed them? Okay, let's see. Now we have to go get the goats to find them. Are they around? Okay, let's go on a little hunt. So I got the oats here. They'll follow me. Yeah, they really like blackberry bushes. There's really no way to really defeat a blackberry bush. But goats do a really good job. So yeah, they're pretty much taking over the back of our house. And if we don't take care of them now, whoa, then they will eventually crawl up our roof. So that's no fun. Now where are they? Oh, they're right here. Okay. Oh, this might not work very well, guys. Okay, so, goats! I got your oats. Goats, I got your oats. Come on. Let's go, let's go. You guys are coming, okay. All right, guys. So far, so good. Let's see how this works. If they run away, I'm gonna have an issue. I think they'll be okay. Okay, so here goes nothing. Until fall is here, we got lots of leaves on the ground. And, okay guys. Okay. Now you're gonna listen to me, right? Yeah? Okay, we're going from here to there. Okay, let's do this. Okay, goats. Come on, goats. Come on, goats. Next, are you gonna be the herd dog? Come on. What are they doing? Hi, guys. Okay, let's go. Guys are doing so well. Oh, it's amazing what some oats will do. Hey, don't eat my trees. Come on. Cha-cha-cha-cha. No. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, oats. Oats, oats, oats. Come on. Not my apple tree. Go, go, go. Come on. Oats. Oats. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Okay. That was a little bit interesting. They decided that they loved my trees in the front yard. But after a little convincing, Max gonna come out. Max is kind of being the little shepherd dog, but did a really good job. Yeah, they ate some of my trees. Yeah. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me running after goats. That was quite an experience. Got my workout for the day. And yeah, I will update in my next video how the goats are doing with the weeding. I feel like that's definitely a good way to weed blackberries. Blackberries are pretty invasive and there's no real way of cutting them back. You can cut them back, but they just grow really rapidly. So yeah, I'll let you guys know in the next video. Well, I'll show a clip in the next video. Whatever I'm doing, this is how the goats did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, do it. Whoa.
Huh?
Oh, good job. Yeah.